Hey everyone, Black Shark has introduced a new wireless gaming keyboard, model BKB02, specifically designed for the Chinese market. Priced at 699 yuan or $98, this keyboard offers a range of features that cater to both casual and professional gamers. Let's dive into the main specifications and see how the BKB02 stacks up against other gaming keyboards. The Black Shark BKB02 features an 84-key layout, which strikes a balance between compact design and full functionality. One standout feature is the multimedia knob, allowing easy access to volume control and other media functions. This stylish knob adds to the keyboard's practicality, making it user-friendly for gamers and office users alike. The keyboard comes equipped with dual-directional active inductance Tesla inductive switches, designed to provide responsive and stable keystrokes, no matter the environment. The adjustable actuation distance ranging from 0.2 to 3.3 millimeters ensures versatility, catering to both office work and intense gaming sessions. One of the key highlights of this keyboard is its 1 millisecond latency, crucial for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. The 5-layer gasket structure not only enhances durability, but also absorbs shock, resulting in a more comfortable, quieter typing experience. For gamers, the BKB02 offers some serious hardware advantages. The inclusion of N-key rollover and anti-ghosting ensures that every key press is registered correctly, even during fast-paced gameplay. The quick trigger and reset technology further enhances responsiveness by enabling faster key activation, a valuable asset in high-speed gaming environments. What sets this keyboard apart is its hot swappable feature, allowing users to easily customize and replace key switches without soldering. This level of customization makes the BKB02 an attractive option for those who want to personalize their gaming setup. In terms of connectivity, the Black Shark BKB02 excels by offering Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The keyboard features a black base accented with blue and purple highlights, giving it a futuristic feel. The translucent pudding-style PBT keycaps provide a textured grip, enhancing comfort during long gaming sessions. For gamers who love customizing their setups, the BKB02 includes neon RGB backlighting and a Black Shark logo breathing light. One of the most impressive features of the BKB02 is its battery life. Depending on the connection mode and backlight settings, the keyboard can last up to 120 hours on a single charge. For recharging, it comes equipped with a USB-C port, making it compatible with modern charging solutions. Weighing 960 grams, the BKB02 is lightweight and easy to transport, making it a practical option for gamers who travel frequently. The package comes with everything a gamer needs to get started: a USB-C cable, a 2.4 GHz receiver, a keycap and switch puller, and a transparent keyboard cover. These accessories make the keyboard convenient and customizable right out of the box. Overall, the Black Shark wireless gaming keyboard BKB02 offers an excellent balance of performance, aesthetics, and versatility at a reasonable price point. Its customizable key switches, responsive performance, and stylish RGB lighting make it a solid option for gamers who value both functionality and visual appeal. For anyone looking for a gaming keyboard that excels in competitive environments and doubles as a reliable office tool, the BKB02 is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.